What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. I'm really excited for today's video. I am back again with yet another weekend in my life. Oh my gosh! Today is Friday and I'm not doing much today, not a ton of plans, but I did want to vlog because we haven't done this in a while. I was thinking that you and I, could pick out my FabFitFun customizations together. So if you don't know about FabFitFun, it's just one of those subscription boxes that you can get sent to your house. FabFitFun is a quarterly one, so this will be the winter box. And you get to pick your customizations. I get to pick 4 and then I get 2 random items that I don't know what they are. And last quarter, my fall box was so good. Chef's kiss. Best customizations I've gotten in a long time. So I'm really excited to see the winter box. We'll decide if we're going to actually get the box or if nothing's that good, we'll skip it. But I think that I'm gonna get it because I saw a few spoilers that I'm really excited about. So thought it would be fun if I just screen share on my phone and go through my customizations with you guys. And then as always, I will do a haul when the box comes in the mail because I do that every time and you guys love a FabFitFun haul. So stay tuned for the haul of the winter box. It will probably be a video at the end of November or during Vlogmas. So spoiler alert / shout out. Vlogmas is coming up. I will be posting a video every single day of December leading up to Christmas, which is the holiday that I celebrate at this time of year. It's very fun. And if you're unfamiliar with Vlogmas, it's typically where one vlogs every day and posts it the next day. Mine won't all be vlogs. Some will be more sit-down videos with my boyfriend Angelo. We always do an annual mukbang in the car, which will be super fun, and play games. And yeah, it's a lot of fun and I can't wait. 2 of them will definitely be travel vlogs. There's just a lot of fun stuff to come this Vlogmas. Anyway, let's get into it. I am ready to pick my customizations for FabFitFun. Let's get started. I'm gonna do it on my phone and screen record and I'll pop it in right here. Okay, it's 11 a.m. So here we go. They literally just opened, so I'm excited. You guys, I got the time conversion wrong. They do Pacific time and I thought it was gonna open at 11. It's not opening till 12, so I'll be back in an hour. Okay, bye. And we are back. I've just been working. I ordered some Chick-fil-A and got it delivered for lunch, so thank goodness for that. And I threw in a chicken noodle soup for dinner, so we're having a productive Friday and now it's actually time to do my FabFitFun customization. So let's do it. I'm super freaking excited. So like I said, I get to pick 4 and then 2 are random. Yay! Okay, I really wanted this waiver right here, so I'm really glad that it's still available. These are the options in case you guys are curious. I also really liked this this right here, the, I don't know, tiered appetizer tray display thing, but it's not as practical, and what I really want the most is this hair waiver. So I'm excited. Eek! Okay, next, customization 2. Okay, we have a NARS lip color, cake stand, Elemis peptide cream. Ooh, Olaplex Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. I like that. I like that you can click for more information to kind of learn what it is. So let's see. Instantly protects and shields hair from pollution while reducing tangles and adding shine. That's fun. Okay, that's a top option for me. I love the hair stuff. Gold earrings, candle holders, glasses, some serving knives, and other colors of the lip product. So I'm definitely gonna go for the hair product. I'm a hair product girly. That's what I'm always picking. Okay, number 3. Oh yeah, they have the Lemmy stuff. This is really exciting. Okay, so they have Lemmy matcha gummies and beauty liquid drops. And then there's a peppermint body scrub, a palette, apple cider vinegar scalp detox. Ooh, I love this Coach headband. Okay, Way leave-in conditioner. Ooh, I like that as well. And some lash serum, some vitamins. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of options. I think I'm gonna go for the leave-in conditioner because like I said, hair girly and I go through these products. So, ooh, okay. Customization 4, I have no idea what we're getting here. A plaid apron, a yoga block, some eye masks. We've got travel spray, deep sleep cleanser. Ooh, the slip scrunchies. I've kind of wanted to try those. A 1-year party planning membership and a Glam Squad $30 credit. These are cool. I've never seen credit options before, but I think we're gonna go with the slip scrunchies. I've never tried them and those are really cute and they're pink and red, which is really festive. Oh no, it just sold out when I clicked on it. Okay guys, what should I get? I wish you guys could tell me what I'm supposed to get because I don't know. Travel spray is what? So it's just kind of like for your face? I don't know. That seems like something I probably wouldn't use if I'm being honest. What's this deep sleep cleanser? Okay. Just a little bit of skincare. Oh guys, I can't believe how fast that sold out. Okay, I'm gonna go with the deep sleep cleanser. Okay, I'm officially done. I've picked all my customizations. I cannot wait to receive this box. This is a good one. I just love products. Personally, I love products more than things. Last year, I remember my winter box was not my favorite. I got 3 mugs, like 3 ceramic mugs and a bunch of other things, and I'm kind of just over the physical item thing, and I like products that I can use and then get rid of and whatever, cycle through. So I'm excited and I'll definitely unbox it for Vlogmas like I mentioned, so I'll see you then when I have the box. But for now, let's continue our productive Friday and get back to work. All right, you guys, it's time for an update. So I am done working. It's a lot later now. It is after 6 and Angelo got home from classes, so I wanted to give you a little rundown of the rest of tonight going into this weekend. So since I'm done working, I've been actually just doing some house chores because this weekend is our monthly chores day. We do it one Saturday a month where we do like really deep cleanup, a bunch of areas of our house. There's a spreadsheet involved, big checklist, the whole thing to make sure we keep our house like super clean because we value that. So this weekend is our big chores day. However, I am starting a little bit early and I decided I'm going to do some of our chores tonight, some of the ones on my list anyway. So I started by washing the bedding. It's in the laundry right now. We're gonna put it back on the bed together, and yeah, I'm just getting a head start so that I can knock them out super early tomorrow morning and like actually enjoy my weekend instead of spending it all cleaning. So that is the update there. I had a good work day. And yeah, for dinner tonight we're having chicken noodle soup, which you guys saw me prepping. I threw everything in the crock pot earlier today and I left it in there for 6 hours, and now we're just gonna eat it. It's a super easy dinner recipe, which is really nice because I did not feel like cooking today and that made it really simple. So yeah, anyway, let's go do some chores and have dinner. Look at all the cookie crumbles. This is my first cookie butter cold brew of the season. Let's try it. When the foam hit my mouth, I knew. Oh, baby, gotta try it. Just get a big drink with liquid in it. But when the foam touched my lips, I knew it was good. Oh!
I knew the same thing. I got large hot original latte with brown sugar cookie syrup, and the number was 4.
Yeah, mine has brown sugar cookie syrup too. So
4 units of brown sugar.
4 pumps. Hopefully it'll taste like mine does. presents, you guys. This is what I got. Okay. Opening a gift from my Aunt Amber and probably my cousins. Let's see what it is. They're probably watching my video. Oh! We love a candle.
Nice.
I got a American Homestead cranberry chutney. What's chutney?
Ooh.
I mean.
Or like a...
Ooh, it smells good. It's like a good holiday scent. Thanks,
Alexa.
Amber and Delaney and Brenna and Mackenzie.
What's...
I feel like I can tell what it is, but I can't.
Yes, and I'll tell you if you're right.
All right, you guys. No, that's not fun. This is the perfectest card ever. It's a mocha pot. Do you know what it is? It's a coffee thing. Guys, this present's from my grandparents, and I always get a hand-painted card. I'm framing this one. I love it. Oh, I love this. I love this color. Oh my gosh, this is nice. All right, guys. I did not expect that on the inside. Oh my gosh, I got this super nice quilted, or not quilted, what's this called? Knit blanket with Sherpa on the inside. Cable knit, yes, cable knit with Sherpa. And it's so cute! Thanks everybody for my birthday presents. Bye. What's up, you guys? I haven't updated you a lot today, and now I'm clearly laying in bed, and my neck hurts really bad, so I'm just chilling and laying down for a while. But I wanted to give you guys the update. So this morning, we went to IKEA, and I got a pretzel, which was really, really delicious. And we walked around IKEA with my mom and Angelo, and then we actually got lunch at one of our old favorite places called Tula Taqueria, and it was so yum. And that's pretty much the recap of our day. My mom went home. She was visiting because last night we went to a comedy show. I guess I didn't tell you guys that, but last night we went to a comedy show at the Funny Bone, and it was super good, and we had a great time. So now we're having a lazy Sunday, which I'm very excited for because I never relax. And Angelo and I are about to hop in bed and play GTA, and that's how we want to spend our afternoon. And then, later tonight, I think I just convinced him. What do you say? Did I convince you? I convinced him. We're getting Chinese delivered again. And if you watched my last vlog, I'm pretty sure I did that in my last vlog. But now it's just kind of like my favorite thing to do on Sunday night. Is just get.
We're doing it again!
We're doing it again! My favorite thing on Sunday nights is just like to order food and just be lazy on a Sunday. I love it. Anyways, I'll see you guys throughout the day. If you want, I'll show you a little bit of us playing GTA. And yeah, we're just chilling. Let's see if I can get up this hill and jump over.
You gotta actually pull up the map, start menu. I want to see where this is so I can find it. Ooh, okay.
Oh,
yeah.
I was trying to go before, but it wasn't working.
You need a not submachine gun.
What do I need?
Sniper rifle. Bottom right. You're getting hit, I think.
Guys, this mission is too hard. I had to give it to Angelo so he can do it for me. They're getting close to you.
Yes, they are.
I should have paused earlier.
Okay.
Oh, not the bullets in the back window. I know what you should do. Yeah. I've been filming for... Alright, y'all. We're having an actual feast. How do you feel about it?
I'm excited.
I'm so excited. Don't judge us for how much this is, guys. We're going to eat this for more than 2 meals, probably.
1.5.
1.5. No, probably 2.5 usually, I feel like. Okay. Pot stickers with the peanut sauce. Is that what we decided that was? Or no?
Ginger.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what sauce that is, but it's good. Pot stickers.
The dipping sauce.
We got one entree of our favorite honey walnut chicken, and we got fried rice.
I think sus, but whatever.
It
doesn't look the same.
I thought the same thing. And we got warsugai, right? With lo mein, and the sauces are over here. We got a crab rangoon pack. I got an egg roll, and of course, this is like my favorite thing in life these days, a wonton soup. And we're about to freaking feast and watch our favorite YouTubers, so life is good.